Dear students, here you will be getting the important questions and answers for the subject statistics of management. So this is a typical package for exam point of view. So before examination, I request you to go through this particular video content so that you will get to know the entire information about statistics of business management. Right from the beginning, introduction to statistics. So there are 6 important questions, and but you have to elaborate it. Second one is statistical survey of survey and data. Like you will be getting important questions like difference between primary data and secondary data, and the steps of statistical survey. Those important questions you will be getting. Even classification and tabulation and presentation, that is a most important part of statistics. You will come to know about like a different type of diagrams. In the case of measure of center tendency, you will come to know about how to calculate the mean, median, mode and standard deviation, and what are the importance of those terminologies. Then measures of dispersion is very important. In that you will be like understanding what is standard deviation. So what is the meaning of coefficient of variance. Similarly, probability is very important topic. You will come to know how to calculate the probability and basic meaning of probability. So what is the meaning of conditional probability and Bayes theorem? These are the most important topic, and you can practice for numerical example also. Sampling is very important, and you will come to know about the meaning of sampling and the type of sampling, how to calculate the standard error for whenever you are consider the sampling. What is a hypothesis? How to test the hypothesis? What are the procedure for computing the type of hypothesis? How to accept the hypothesis and how to reject the hypothesis? Difference between type 1 and type 2 errors. These are the points which we are going to discuss in this particular slide. Now you will come to know about the correlation and regression. How do you calculate the Carl Pearson coefficients? How do you calculate the regression? What is the meaning of interpretation? So importance of chi-square test, definition with the formula, and how to calculate, like to accept and reject hypothesis by using chi-square test. And you will come to know about the test of goodness of fit, that is very important for statistical point of view. So what is the meaning of ANOVA? That is very important. Analysis of variance is known as ANOVA, and what is the formula to compute ANOVA? Even you will come to know about the time series analysis, this and significance. Index number is very important part of statistical measurement. So what is the importance of index number? And for example, if I want to calculate the cost of living index, I can make use of index number. So for